Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll cover this lab. First of all, click on Start Lab, and if you're new to this channel, do like the video and just subscribe the channel. Now wait for the lab to get started. Now from here, right click over here and open the console incognito window. Now here, simply click on I understand. Now from here, we have to activate the Cloud Shell. Click on this button to activate the Cloud Shell. And if you get this pop-up, click on I agree and continue. Remove this. Click on continue. Click on authorize. Let me increase the text size. Now what you need to do, you need to come to task number 1, and if you want this yellow checkmark progress bar, you can check the video description. Now copy it, paste over here. We are opening the VI editor. Now you won't be able to modify the files, so for that you have to press I button to enable the insert option. Now here we have to add this content to the file. Just paste Ctrl V. Now press escape button. After that, use :WQ to save the file. So finally we have saved the file. Okay. Now what we need to do, we have to create a Docker file also. So again, open the VI editor, use I to insert the file, copy the content from here, paste it, again press escape, :WQ, hit enter. We have saved the file. Now let's build the image. It will take few seconds. So finally the Docker image is created. Let's come back again, and now we have to just run it. This is also done. Now what we need to do, we have to just come over here and create a repository named my Docker repo. It will be created within few seconds. So finally it is created. Now what we need to do, we have to just authenticate. Okay, so just copy it over here and just come over here, hit enter. It's authenticated. If prompted, just type Y and hit enter. Now let's tag it. After that we have to push the code. So it will take some time, so wait for it. After that we'll be just creating the cluster. So finally the code is pushed. Now come over here, and what we can do, we have to create a cluster. First of all, we need to set the project ID. So just copy it from here. Open any notepad, you can use personal or online notepad. Copy the project ID. From here to here, replace it. Select entire content and close it also, and just come over here and set the project ID. After project ID, we have to create a cluster name hello world. So just run it, and it will take some time. Okay, it will take some time, so wait for it. Cluster creation generally take 4 to 5 minutes. So finally our cluster has been created. It took around 5 to 6 minutes. Now simply check the score for this task, and let's create our pod. So we have created our pod. So you can just check the score for this task also, and after that you can just expose the deployment. Now let's scale our service. So like this we completed the lab. If you still have any doubts, you can let me in the comment section. Do like the video and subscribe the channel. Have a great day ahead.